it's the start of a really exciting week for us today. So we're off to Huddersfield to meet our window and door supplier. So they've already given us a quote, but we're going to go and see their showroom and see a little bit more what they've got to offer. But we've had a bit of snow overnight, so that's kind of changed our plans a little bit. We were going to go on the scenic route, but we've decided to stick to the motorways and avoid all the country roads basically. It's not too bad where we are now, but at home we definitely had an inch or so, maybe 2 inches of snow. So we're just going to keep it a bit safer today. But yeah, we've got some really exciting stuff coming up this week, and this is just the beginning. So yeah, really excited to share everything with you guys. Okay, so we've been in the car about an hour and a bit, and we're already flagging. We've got another 20 minutes to go before we get there. We definitely need some kind of pick-me-up. It feels like a really long drive, to be fair. But yeah, not far, 15-20 minutes left. And then hopefully we'll get to show you what we're thinking for the house. Okay, so we just pulled up. It's in the middle of nowhere. I don't think we could find this again if we tried. But yeah, let's go in. So the main reason for visiting today was to hopefully make a decision between the bifold and the sliding doors for the back of the house. There were loads of options, including how the bifolds collapse down, colours and the sightline widths. It was great to see examples in real life so we could see the pros and cons for each option. All of these options are aluminium, and we might mix between aluminium and PVC, using aluminium for the big windows on the front and doors on the back, and PVC for the smaller windows to save on budget. We even saw a front door we liked. So we've just finished at the window and door place, and it was very successful actually. I'm really glad that we went. It's given us a lot of food for thought, hasn't it? We didn't really consider the bifold doors and how far out they would have to stick into the garden, and seeing the 3-door fully collapse, it will stick out quite a way. So we're gonna, well, when the weather gets better, we're going to go out and we're going to measure into the garden. As you guys have seen, our patio is not very deep, and I think that how far out the doors will stick out will really interrupt how we will use the patio. I really do think it's going to affect the dining table, the pizza oven, and potentially the outdoor furniture that we plan on having there. I really like the sight lines on the sliding doors. They're a lot narrower than the bifolds, but they didn't look as impressive when you opened them up. It really was a case that only, half of it could be opened, and that kind of wasn't the big oh wow that you do get from the bifolds. So yeah, there's a lot for us to think about, isn't there? And yeah, so we're just going to go home, have a bit of a measure up and think, because the bifolds are cheaper than sliders as well. Just want to throw that in there, because obviously that is a big thing in our decision as well. So yeah, let's see.
So guys, we've got some really exciting news now to share with you. We can happily say that we have officially chosen our builder. We went with Outline Construction, and they provided really detailed quotes. They've worked with our architects previously as well, so there's a good working relationship already existing there. We have a meeting later in the week where we're getting together with our architect and Dominic from Outline to go through the plan and determine where we go next.
So it's a lovely morning again. The sun is up.
bright and shining. I'm on the field with Stan. He's brought me his ball back. But yeah, so today's the day. We've got the builder and the architect coming round later today to discuss the plan, basically, what we're going to do with the house and what order everything is going to be happening in. So yeah, really exciting. I'm hoping that we can come up with a really good plan on how we can make good progress. And hopefully it'll be sort of like June, July time. Fingers crossed. Hoping that the weather will be good for us and not what we've got at the moment. I'm being demanded to throw the ball. So yeah, let's see how we get on.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive.
So there you have it, guys. That's the plan. We've made really good progress this week. We're really pleased with how things have moved on and very excited now to get going.
Yep, so building control application's been put in to start the build, and our builder Dom is going to do a revised quote for us so we can see the costs of each phase. So yeah, I feel like we're getting there now. The next stuff that we need to start looking at is the exciting bits like kitchen, flooring, and just sort of get those costs put together so we can factor them in. It's all about cost.
No, that's fair. So don't forget to like, subscribe, join us next week.
And we'll see you guys on Monday.
See you Monday.
Bye.